Are you experiencing troubles with your roof and in need of repair? Or perhaps you decided it's time for a new one entirely? We would love to help you. When it comes to finding a roofing company, you need someone that's going to service your roof professionally and get the job done right the first time. We will sit down with you and determine the best repair and installation options. We're confident that our level of skill and expertise will provide you with a service that you will just love. Don't risk further damage to your home. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.